Coming back from the break, we've spoken to Deepak Parmani, we've spoken to Fifi Haroon. It looks like a very glamorous event, Awab. What do you think? Are you attending it?
I will not be because मेरी बीवी नहीं जाती थी मुझे.
नहीं क्या बात है?
नहीं. Basically, I think it's going to be a splendid week. I hope it goes off successfully. I agree with Fifi on the fact that I hope the original designs have come through. I'm not that fashion savvy to be able to critique on what designs are there, but I think there are a lot of people anxiously waiting for these top designers to lead the way in Pakistan's fashion. But the only problem I see with this is it's not clutter हुआ है.
That's what she was talking about. Yeah.
And the problem is हर अपनी वो कहते हैं वो एड़ी का वो क्या मजल बना के बैठा. And this must be, I mean, cobbled out because अच्छे खासे लोग हैं which they have influence on.
सारे मिलके क्यों ये चीज करें?
नहीं, I don't think don't force them together. I think you'll just leave them alone. Fashion Week एक naturally survival of the fittest में Fashion Week Pakistan has come out on top because and that's what's going to happen. दूसरे जो होंगे वो गिरेंगे, falter करेंगे. Don't force them onto the same platform, but I would ask them कि भाई lawn week हुआ, fashion week हुआ, showcase हुआ, so many things combined in this last month or so. That means next of the remaining 9-10 months we'll be sleeping and talking about terrorism, we'll be talking about other stuff. I think
should be spread out.
We need positive news, and unfortunately, literally you and I sit and blog and say कि हमारे पास positive चीजें लिखने की नहीं है. You show these events, you talk about, I don't know, कराची में तो winter.
देखिए positive चीजें हैं लिखने के लिए तो आप जान ही रहे.
नहीं, for other reasons. I'm not going for other reasons, but वो मैं वही कह रहा हूँ कि if we have real around positive चीज़ों की बात होगी, तो वो I'm sure we can.
Maybe we would have an event spaced out between like every 2 months or something.
Absolutely, yes. Spring collection, fall collection, summer collections, winter collection. कुछ तो पता है. मगर if that's spaced out and let these designers exploit each quarter in some interesting way, I think that would be the best way to have Pakistan, bring Pakistan out of this glut of negativism. That's
so, and we are going to be covering it live. This is going to be live streamed on Facebook.
Hashtag
the hashtag is FP3W, FPW3 and FPW. Okay. And it's going to be on Facebook when you can search for Fashion Pakistan Week and you can see the live stream link there.
You guys,
and it's going to be covered live on Park Tea House as well.
Well, you're actually embedding the live stream.
And we have 8 or 9 people on the ground who are going to be tweeting live and sending pictures into the stream and everything. So it's going to be a fun event. If you can attend it, watch it on Facebook or on Park Tea House or on Twitter.
Just a warning. I think cover it live के साथ don't overwhelm it with a lot of information. You know, मैंने जब भी मैं cover it live देखा है कि I would actually suggest the entire team to actually be very judicious in what comments are posted, because if you have too many people posting at the same time, you get a huge bunch of comments. But you control it. As I said, you control it to an extent that it does not overwhelm, because what happens is when there are too many comments, it just scrolls to the top and you don't enjoy it. A limited, controlled discussion would be the best.
We've got about 5 or 6 featured Twitters, and Deepak is one of them, and Mike is one of them. Yeah. So it's going to be a fun event. Let's see what happens. Thank you, and this is me, Faisal Kapadia, and with Awab Alvi on Out of Bounds, wishing you a happy Fashion Week and a happy weekend.